Hey everyone, Brian with WorkshopAddict.com, and we are going to announce the winner of the new Milwaukee M18 Fuel 8¼ inch table saw. Now this table saw has been very difficult to get some time behind because we've had a lot of people at our house, including contractors, who have wanted to take this and use it for small jobs. And I think that is where this unit fits perfectly. It's small enough that you can throw it in the back of a car. In fact, this thing was in the back of a Malibu. I mean, it's small enough to get into places. It's large enough to do the jobs that you need it to do. And the stand that's below it is nothing that is like overly impressive, but it works. It fits in small places. It folds up easy. And sometimes simple is the way to go. You know, everything works. It's the way it should be. The power is great. I can't say enough good things about this saw. I want to get some time behind it and try to cut some larger sheets of OSB. We have not done that, and that's what's lagging with our video coming out, so I apologize. We are going to get to this thing, but we've been doing a lot of small jobs with it, and it's been excellent. So not to drag this out anymore, the video was 2 weeks ago. You had to comment and tell us your favorite tool. Well, basically, some people said this one was, and I'm sure a lot of you guys don't even have it, but I can see it. There's so many uses, even if you're a DIY guy or if you're a contractor. It's awesome. So what I did, random generator, picked a guy, and the guy's name is Randy Smith, and his favorite tool is an impact driver. So what you need to do, Randy, is contact us at webmaster@workshopaddict.com. Also leave a comment in this video. We are going to come back with some awesome giveaways and continue to give more and more and more. There was also a giveaway today on wrenches and rides that ended. We're going to try to keep those going also. So there's a lot of opportunities to get more tools, learn a little bit about what's coming out. So make sure you subscribe, give us a like in this video, follow us on social media. We'll have a lot of cool things coming. Thanks for your time. Have a great day.